Everything inside the train car. Don't stand up. If you want to wave at somebody, that's fine. Just keep your hands and arms inside the car when you wave.
Wow. You see the reindeers? You see the reindeers up there? Whoa. Oh, you see the houses, the bells? Oh, look, it's Candyland. Candyland?
The last train that went through the tunnel said they were going to scream and yell when they went through the tunnel. We could barely hear them.
Oh, look.
So you guys got a chance to all do that and see how loud you can yell when we're in the tunnel.
It's so pretty. Choo-choo. Ethan, say hi to everybody.
That was pretty pathetic.
Wow.
Engineer Mike, I think we'll have to go on and give him another chance to yell and scream while we're going through the tunnel.